The ecosystems passage. An ecosystem is all the living things that interact in a specific area, whether they are living or non-living. Some examples of non-living things that support life in an ecosystem are light, air, soil, and water. Living things are the plants and animals called organisms that use those resources. I do want you guys to know that organisms are any kind of living thing, plants or animals. Each one of these specific ecosystems in the world has its own conditions created by the non-living things. These conditions determine what kind of living things will be able to thrive here. Thrive means get what their needs are, or get their needs met, which is exactly what this is going to say. Organisms can only thrive and think of survive where their needs are being met. Everything in an organism's environment has an effect on it. One ecosystem that allows many different kinds of organisms to thrive is a temperate zone. It is an area where the conditions never become too hot or too cold. All the living things in an ecosystem are called a community. All of one specific kind of organism living in a community is called a population. So, all the tree frogs in a rainforest community are one population within the community. So that just means if there are other kinds of frogs, that's a different kind of population. All the white birch trees are another population within the same community. All the jaguars are yet another rainforest community population. So there are hundreds of thousands of populations in each community. All living organisms perform certain life processes. They take in nutrients like air, sunlight, water, and food. They use energy from those nutrients to grow and develop. They release energy by doing work and moving. They release waste products. They react to things in their environment. They reproduce offspring or babies that are similar to themselves. In my next video, we'll go over the questions.